Hey sweet friends, and welcome back to my channel. So this is the most exciting video that I've put up in forever. I cannot wait to share my huge announcement with you all. I mentioned in the last video that something huge was coming today, and here it is, so I cannot wait any longer. In the last video I asked you all to guess down in the comments what you thought this huge reveal was. It was so much fun getting to read your comments and what you thought it was. There was lots of fun guesses about crafting boxes and like craft with me's and teaching people how to craft, so that was like really fun and it gave me some really cool ideas for the future. But for this video, I'm going to be sharing what I've been working so hard on for quite a while now. I don't even know how long, but it has taken me so long to get up a website and just get everything in order and ready to go for you guys. But I want to go ahead and tell you all what it is, and I am so excited to say that I am launching my own monthly t-shirt subscription. It's going to be called KBK Shirt Club, or it is called KBK Shirt Club. So that was like for after KraftsbyKatelyn. But KBK Shirt Club to receive monthly surprise t-shirts. You guys, I am so excited for this. I have always been really obsessed with adorable, cute t-shirts, so I knew that I could make some myself. The KBK Shirt Club is a monthly subscription where I'm going to get to pick out and design the cutest graphic t-shirts and ship them right to you. The best part is that these are going to be surprise packages, so you don't know what shirt you're going to get for like the month of May or June, etc., but it is going to be so fun waiting for you guys, waiting and seeing what the next t-shirt is going to look like, and I love the fact that it is going to be a surprise. You can join KBK Shirt Club by going to KBKShirtClub.com or clicking the link down in the descriptions as well as in the comments, but I will put it down there, so you just click the link, go get signed up, and make it just in time to get your May t-shirt. I am using Bella Canvas super soft t-shirts that are true to size with a high quality printing and really fun packaging. Currently we are only offering shipping to the US, but I am offering a free shipping on your subscription boxes, and I will be putting a size chart on the website so that you can go and make sure that you are picking the best fit for you. Since this is a brand new business, I did put a limited amount of signups that I can take for this month just to see how many orders that we're going to be getting. If you are interested in the KBK Shirt Club, be sure to get signed up before Tuesday, May 10th, because if you sign up after that, you'll have to wait until the next month to get a June t-shirt, so you have to be signed up by Tuesday, May 10th. There's a little countdown timer on the website, which is really cute. But there's a little countdown and it lets you know you have to be signed up by Tuesday, May 10th to receive the surprise May t-shirt. There is a ton of more information if you're interested at KBKShirtClub.com, or like I mentioned, link down in the description box, and you can find out everything you need to know. There's a ton of questions and answers if you have any questions over there, or you can always contact us. We have a little box where you can contact me and let me know any questions that you have. I also am going to be starting a new Instagram account just for my t-shirt business, and that is going to be KBK Shirt Club, and hopefully you guys will be able to receive your shirts and share them with me using the hashtag KBK Shirt Club. I also will try to be putting some new updates over there, how I style my shirt, and just some really cute photos. It truly means the world to me, all of you guys that follow along on my channel, watch all of my videos, and just support me on YouTube. And I just felt like this would be another way that we could all connect with one another. I would get to be creative and bring you some fun graphic t-shirts, which is another huge passion of mine. I think this will be so fun for everyone, not only to get like a fun surprise in your mailbox each month, but while you're adding some cute pieces into your closet. It is so much fun. I love that it's a surprise. Let me know down in the comments down below like what style of t-shirts that you love, what colors do you wear a lot of. I definitely want to put out shirts that everyone will enjoy, but that will still be like a really fun, colorful graphic t-shirt. I'm not going to mail you something ugly, so I know you guys are going to love this. It's just another fun way, like I mentioned, that we can connect and share our shirts online. So definitely check out the Instagram page after you get signed up. Let me know in the comments down below if you are signing up for my new KVK shirt club. Thank you all so much in advance for everyone that supports my channel and just everyone that hangs out here a lot. I know that if you follow my channel, you are more than likely a DIYer or crafter or just enjoying the creative process, and this is just going to be another outlet for me to have so much fun, put some really fun designs out on some t-shirts. I'm already so excited to get hard to work and start designing the next few months of t-shirts, and I have the most adorable little mailers, so I'm so excited to send these out to you guys and get this going. It is going to be so much fun from month to month getting to share our shirts. So definitely let me know in the comments down below if you are signing up and what you are excited to see on the next t-shirt. I know this first one is going to be a fun surprise, and I'm just excited for all of you all to get signed up and start receiving your t-shirts. So the link will be down in the description box. I just wanted to make an entire video dedicated to this business. Like I mentioned, we are using Bella Canvas unisex t-shirts, so the sizing chart will be online. Make sure that you order the right size. At first it's going to be really hard. We're only going to be able to offer refunds on purchases that are damaged or if they make it out the door. Very unlikely because I'm going to be checking these and packaging these myself. But just let me know. But like I mentioned, tons of more information is on the website. But like I mentioned, just making an entire video dedicated to that so that I can refer back to. So please give me a big thumbs up. I have a ton of more DIYs coming to you really soon, but I was so excited to share this new adventure with you all. I knew you would be so excited for me. We worked super hard on my website, so let me know what you think about that, as well as the t-shirt business itself. So give me a big thumbs up, make sure you are subscribed. I'll be back with more DIYs next time, so back to regular content, but let me know what you think. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for anyone that wants to sign up for this t-shirt club that I'm super excited about, and I'll see you in the next video. Happy crafting! Bye!